Hey, what's up guys, Satish here. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm back with an interesting video today, which is none other than the Oneplus 7 Pro's hands-on. Oneplus unveiled Oneplus 7 Pro here in Bangalore today, so without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. OnePlus 7 Pro costs 48,999 for 6 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM costs 52,999 and 12 gigs of RAM costs 57,999. You can start buying OnePlus 7 Pro from May 17th on Amazon. OnePlus 7 Pro gets glass body on back and comes in grey, gold and in blue colors. Trust me guys, the blue looks super cool, especially the gradient crafted so well on back. Even the texture given on top looks beautiful. On left, volume rockers, and on right gets alert slider and unlock button. And on bottom, loudspeaker and Type-C slot. Unfortunately, OnePlus dumped 3.5mm audio jack again. OnePlus 7 Pro gets mega 6.7-inch fluid AMOLED display, which is one of the best display experience you can get. And for the first time, OnePlus puts a Quad HD Plus display in the smartphone, which has insane 516 pixels per inch. In order to offer better experience, there is HDR10 Plus and 90Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling and transitions. Overall feedback of the phone seems to be little bulky and heavier too, as it weighs 207 grams. Not to forget, it is hard to operate this phone in one hand as the phone is huge. For the first time, OnePlus phone gets 3 cameras, having 48 megapixel as main camera, 16 megapixel for ultra-wide and 8 megapixel for telephoto. OnePlus 7 Pro gets motorized pop-up selfie camera, which has 16 megapixel. OnePlus 7 Pro packs latest Snapdragon 855 chipset, which is built on 7nm. As expected, there is no dedicated slot to expand the storage but comes in 3 variants. That is 6GB with 128GB storage and 8GB or 12GB with 256GB storage. It runs on Android 9 Pie with Oxygen OS 9 skin on top. You may expect Android Q in next few months hitting this phone over the air. There is 4000 mAh non-removable battery, which has got WAP superfast charge support. OnePlus 7 Pro gets dual front-facing stereo speakers, and guess what? They are powered by Dolby Atmos. So this is all I got to cover in this hands-on video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Satish signing off, and thanks for watching.